welcome to another For the Love of Learning video. My name is Miss D and today I'm going to show you how to add fractions with the same denominator. But first, forget about fractions. Take all those ideas of numbers out of your mind because I'm going to show you how to add fractions using words. I want you to imagine that you've got 3 dice and then someone gives you another 6 dice. How many dice do you have in total? Well, let's write that out. You've got 3 dice, add 6 dice. In total, 3 add 6 is 9. So altogether, you've got 9 dice. What's that got to do with fractions? Well, let's take away that word dice and replace it with the word tenths. So instead of 3 dice, you have 3 tenths. Instead of 6 dice, you have 6 tenths. Instead of 9 dice, you guessed it, you've got 9 tenths. So now it reads 3 tenths add 6 tenths equals 9 tenths. I said tenths, not tenths. Forget about tenths. So how do I write this as a fraction? 3 over 10 add 6 over 10. And that word tenths, we've just replaced it with the digits 1 and 0, which we know are 10. So now we've got 3 tenths add 6 tenths equals 9 tenths. So all we've actually done is we've kept our denominator the same because we are only dealing with tenths. We're not dealing with anything else. It's just like the dice. We were only dealing with dice. We weren't suddenly dealing with daisies or tenths. Why do I keep thinking of tenths? We were only dealing with tenths. So when you've got 3 tenths and you add 6 tenths, all you need to do is keep the denominator the same and then you just do 3 add 6, which we know is 9. Here you've got a circle that looks like a moon. We're going to split that into 8 equal parts. Let's say we've got 3 of those parts, so we've got 3 eighths. We're now going to add 1 eighth, so we're going to add another part. So we're going to write this as 3 eighths add 1 eighth. How many do we have altogether? Well, we know we're dealing with eighths, so our denominator is going to be an 8. We're not suddenly dealing with quarters, or with thirds, or with sixteenths, or with hundredths. We're dealing with eighths. So our denominator is going to be an 8. Then all we've got to do is add our top numbers together. 1 add 3, yeah, pretty sure it's 4. So we've now got 4 eighths. We can also show this on our diagram. We can do this with any size fraction. It doesn't matter how big or small the digits are. So let's take 87 hundredths as an example, and we're going to add 40 hundredths. How many hundredths do we have altogether? So we need to keep our denominator the same, that's in the hundredths, and then we're just going to add 87 and 40, which is 127. Panicked on the spot there. 127 over 100. Please like and subscribe for more maths related videos.